Hello, my name is Blake Nystrom, and this is my senior capstone video project. Please bear with me because I'm the only one taking this video, and I have my phone propped up against a couple objects right now, and I'll be moving my phone to the demo station where I have my device sitting at right now, ready to go. So what my project is, it is a new car security system that could be integrated into new manufactured cars into the future, per se. So I have three different components, a force sensing resistor, a camera, and an SD card. To break it down simply, all I want is for the resistor to sense the amount of force applied to that surface area of the force sensing resistor, and then to send a signal to the camera saying, it's time to take pictures now, I've just been hit. And once those pictures have been taken, they will be transferred to an SD card module. The reason why I want to make this project is because I've never seen anything like this manufactured anywhere, from my knowledge and from my research. I know myself, I've been a victim, and I know other people have, where they parked their car and someone dinged it and the person just went away and they left a mark on your car. So this is the main reason why I made this, this new device. So I had a plan A or plan B for my senior capstone project, and the plan A was to also add a GSM module to my device. Unfortunately, I was unable to get the GSM device integrated into the device without being able to use any measuring tools, oscilloscopes, anything like that. I wasn't able to figure out or pinpoint what was really going on. I was able to run some source code from the Arduino IDE, which would allow me to find out what network is my GSM module running on, and it for some reason would not pick up. I'm guessing it's either an antenna issue where the antenna is not strong enough to capture a signal from cellular towers. So that's that. So I had to go with plan B, which is just take away the GSM module. One thing I did want to improve on the project was that once in the beginning of the camera taking pictures, the first couple pictures are very dark and dim. And my guess is that it's just taking its time to focus in on the surrounding area where it's pointed at to take pictures. So I set the camera to take 15 pictures total once the force sensor has been triggered and it runs through the code. So let me go ahead and move you to the demo station where I can show you the device. Okay, so here is my car security system device. Yeah, it's not on a toy car where I could, practically show like how it would work in a car parking lot, but I wanted to show each individual device clearly. So here's the force sensing resistor. Here's the camera, and it's pointed towards that snow globe right there, so it should capture the snow globe once there's force applied to this guy right here. And then over here we have the microcontroller of the Arduino Mega, so it has tons of inputs and outputs, digital components, and analog pinouts and everything like that. This right here is the SD card. There we go, focus up. And so that will ultimately be transferred into your, per se, laptop right here, and then it will go into this SD card adapter slot. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, please bear with me. So I'm plugging in the SD card, micro SD card, into the SD card right now. So there's the adapter. The SD card is now slotted into the SD card module. So here is my working code, and there's all those comments and everything for you able to read and understand like what's really going on in my project. So I'm gonna plug this guy into my computer for my demo. It is on, it's running, it's powered on, excuse me, not running. So I'll go ahead and upload this guy right here, and it's successful. And then I'm gonna want to have a serial monitor where it shows car security on, SD card detected, and then all these numbers that you're seeing right now that are continuously running are being recorded by this force sensor. So say right here, I go ahead and push this down a little bit, you'll see these numbers jump. So I'll go back to the camera, my finger's gonna tap on the force sensor. And you can see that it is jumping up and down from the amount of pressure that I apply. So what I want to do, I have it set to 500 amount of pressure. So once I reach this 500 amount of pressure, and right there, your car has been hit. And right now, it's taking pictures and it's saying, okay, and it's being transferred over real quick, really fast. So what you should see now is that this camera right here, well, one, you'll see my finger in the photo as well, but this guy being a couple feet away, you should still see the Santa Globe guy in the picture clearly. So say like someone, you know, hit your car, recognizes that they hit your car, and they're trying to run away, is the picture going to be clear enough to see that, you know, person's license plate, you know, the car, the color, whatnot. So I put the SD card, micro SD card, back into the adapter, and I plug it into my laptop, and there we go. This pops up. So as you can see, we have we have 1 through 15. So like what I said in the beginning of the video, the first photo is going to be dark. So dark. I'm unable to figure out exactly why this happens, and my guess is just because the camera's just trying to focus. So say I were to go to 9. A lot more clearer. As you can see the snow globe guy all the way over there. And it's pretty clear, you can tell, you know, my guess you'd say, yeah, that's a snow globe guy. That's a 4 or 5 or a 6 or a G on the license plate of the car. And then if you want to just continue on through, it'll take the pictures, or it'll show the same amount of pictures, but because I didn't move my finger. So, but there it is, and that is my video project. Thank you very much, and appreciate everything that you guys have helped me with.